Tonight we're back in my 2022 Subaru BRZ, and we're going to be testing out the Falken Wildpeak AT Trail all-terrain tires in the snow. So I've only pretty much run winter tires exclusively on my BRZ. I've never really driven on all seasons or pretty much anything else besides winters in the snow in these cars. And I'm used to pretty great traction with this front engine rear-wheel drive platform. So let's go see how these perform. I don't have super high hopes. I think they'll get me through the snow, but this probably isn't going to be the ideal winter setup. It looks proper on the Braid wheels, but this was intended to be more of a 3-season setup instead of a winter driving wheel and tire combo. So let's go see what happens here. All right, so we're going to start off here very gingerly, very cautiously. And immediately, yeah, there just isn't quite the traction here that you have on winter tires. It's probably doable, but not necessarily something that I would be comfortable driving on in the snow, in traffic, at speed. Was kind of intended to be a 3-season wheel and tire setup, and I think that's what we're going to stick with here. There we go. It works. What about braking? Yeah, not amazing. I think it'd probably get me through some deep snow if I absolutely needed to. But other than that, pretty traction limited here. There we go. All right, well, that is good to know. All in the name of science. So should you run a set of all-season tires on your BRZ in the wintertime? Probably not. Set of winters, it would almost feel like there isn't much snow under us right now. I think for what this tire does in the mud, in the dirt, in the wet, and in the dry the rest of the year, it's decent snow performance. You can't really have a tire that does it all, holds up to abusive off-road conditions, and is a soft enough compound to hold up in the snow. So it's got to sacrifice some grip somewhere. Feels pretty good in the slush. And of course, cold, wet performance has been excellent as long as you're not driving on ice. Still fun to drive, still easily controllable. You gotta love how balanced these cars are in in the snow. They're just so easy to slide around. Good weight balance, good traction. It is a lot of fun. And with a winter tire, you can just do it with much more control, much more confidence, grip, speed. Got a bit of a hill here. Let's see how it does. Getting up this. Ready? It's clawing its way up. What if we turn traction control on here? Maybe into track mode. No, that doesn't do anything. Alright, yeah, you're gonna need winter tires. That's okay. We will get another set. I'm gonna be using the Michelin X-Ice tires on the S2000 this winter. So I will probably try to find a set of 17s for this car. Ooh, it is fun though. Alright, well there you guys go. I'm gonna go grab my Civic Type R, spend some time in that, and see how that feels on the all seasons in the snow. Stay tuned for some more videos on the BRZ this winter. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.